Today in Hue, we chase royal flavors still alive in everyday bowls.
Dạ chào mẹ.
Mẹ chào con.
First stop, Đông Ba, where the day's secrets start.
Hue flavor begins with aromatics, bright and clean.
This is Hue's backbone.
Dạ.
Mam ruốc, bold but precise. For Bun Bo Hue, broth starts here, bones and patience.
Hue herb platter. Fresh herbs keep the heat balanced.
In Hue, you bargain softly, respect first.
Smells like breakfast already. Let's taste while we hunt.
First bowl to set the standard. Chewy noodles, spicy perfume. This is Hue.
Notice the lemongrass, fragrant, not harsh.
Color comes from chili oil, controlled, not chaotic.
Quest, Vente, build the royal city broth base.
Now, a home kitchen where recipes stay alive.
This feels like stepping into another time.
Clean start. Hue cooking is about clarity.
Fire is gentle, never rushing the broth.
A quick toast wakes up the aroma.
We add the spices right at the end to keep the flavor clean.
The aroma alone is remarkable.
Hue taste, balanced heat, clean finish.
Just enough mam ruok. Precision is everything.
We let time do the work.
Every step is small, but it adds up.
Toppings matter, but broth is the throne.
Hot, fragrant, and surprisingly elegant.
Home-style Bunbo Hue, royal in spirit. Next quest, Hue's delicate small cakes.
Small bites, big craftsmanship.
Soft, savory, and silky.
Ban Nam, humble, fragrant, perfectly wrapped.
That's true. This is why people travel to Hue.
From kitchen to streets. Hue taste changed by the block.
We'll compare the trio. Same family, different soul.
Bo is airy. Nam is tender and aromatic.
The dip is sharp, but never overpowering.
Hue at sunset makes everything taste gentler.
Time for one more Hue classic. Crispy and hot.
Listen to that. This is the crunch moment.
Crunch first, then herb, then the dip.
One city, many textures. Who never shouts?
Next, Hue Desserts, the soft finale of royal taste.
Hue sweets are calm, never too loud. Lotus seeds, soft, clean, almost floral.
Sweetness here is measured, not guessed. Tender, not mushy. Perfect. Perfect.
Each topping is a small decision.
Tonight, 3 Hue styles, back to back.
Kebab, comfort in a spoon.
Creamy but still light.
Hue sweetness stays polite.
That purple night dessert magic.
Dessert by the river is a Hue ritual.
This is how you end a Hue night.
Cảm ơn cho, hẹn gặp lại.
New day, new quest. Hue's humble royalty.
We're hunting hen, tiny clam, huge flavor.
This is Comhan territory. Fast hand, balance bowl.
Always with a warm sip.
Spicy, nutty, bright. So how spicy is the chili? Tùy bạn.
Hue lets you choose the heat.
Same name, 3 personalities.
Herb forward, chili forward, crunch forward.
My favorite? The one that stays bright.
Next, Hue skewers and that signature dip.
Nem lúi, smoke and sweetness in balance.
Hue wraps are a full garden.
Smoky, creamy. Herb fresh. Wow.
Hue morning.
Clean, quick, keep the sweetness.
Same clam spirit, different foam. That aroma wakes the whole house.
Yeah.
Balance first, spice second.
Bún hang, light, bright, addictive. So light, but it sticks with you.
Hue is detail. Every bowl gets options. Royal City recipes. Live in ordinary mornings.
Next, bánh canh Nam Phô with comfort in a bowl.
These noodles are thick, made for comfort.
Nam Pho broth, rich but still clean.
Layer by layer. Hugh doesn't rush.
That chew is the whole point.
A little heat, a little tang, perfect.
Tiny moves, big flavor.
Now we compare it outside.
Same dish, different hands.
This version leans richer.
Broth color tells a story.
Simple signs, serious flavor.
Let's trace the ingredients to the water.
Huge flavors start right here.
Fresh, sweet, and briny.
Very good price for you, sir.
Thank you, they look wonderful.
Respect is part of the recipe.
Yeah.
Now we turn water into broth.
A fast stock, sweet and clean.
Color but controlled.
Back to Hugh's bite-sized art. Soft, then salty sweet.
We're testing flight home edition.
This aroma is pure comfort.
Chua, savory, so addictive.
Time for Hugh's next side.
Crunchy, sticky, perfect with tea.
Hugh's snacks are quiet happiness.
Listen to that snap.
We revisit crunch, Hugh style.
Crisp edges are the goal.
Herbs cool the heat. That crunch every time. Few nights are for slow eating.
A royal city, but very human. Hugh is texture city.
Tomorrow we chase a deeper payoff.
Next, a fresh Hugh salad, bright and crunchy. We're just getting started. Our An.
Fresh Hue Crunch, here we go.
Keep it thin, more crunch, less bitterness.
Just a hint, Hue Precision.
Light hands, keep it airy.
Bright, spicy, super clean.
Lemongrass, hue is perfume. Heat is easy, balance is hard.
We build the broth like architecture.
Clear broth, clean finish.
Flavor in, roughness out.
Try this.
This is the This is the hue. Yes.
Everything ready? Now the crown.
Home bowl, royal spirit.
Listen, this is real.
Now, the street benchmark. This one smells bolder.
Same city, two signatures.
Street version. Stronger finish. Stronger finish.
Third bowl, clean style.
Rich.
Woo, keep you awake. Food here is community.
Hue also knows restraint.
After spice, this feels like balance.
Simple, but satisfying.
Hue moves gently.
Tiny cakes, big skill.
One last chewy bite.
The end where